Hello all, welcome to Life Science Library. In this video we are going to see about vernalization. In plant physiology, unit 6 of Iicsirnet Life Science portion, it will also be of great help to GATE Life Science candidates. And you are watching this on Life Science Library. First, we will understand what is vernalization. Vernalization is a process in which a plant is induced to flower after a intense cold exposure. After this exposure, the plant attains the ability to flower. It is the basic definition of vernalization. So a plant is here. A plant is induced with low temperature, maybe 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to flower. So it is the external induction, external temperature changes is making the plant to flower. It is a reversible process, meaning if the plant is exposed to high temperature, say 32 degrees Celsius, no flowering occurs. Again, if it is exposed to 1 degree Celsius, it will flower. So it is a reversible process and occur at low temperature, simply to make the plant to flower. Next is vernalin. Vernalin is an hypothetical compound. It is said by various scientists that vernalin is a compound that helps the plant to flower, even in the absence of cold treatment, even without cold treatment. It is called as vernalin. So, meristem is the area of the plant that is induced by cold treatment to flower. So flowering occur at cells that are continuously dividing, that is meristematic cells. We are now going to understand various components that are involved in vernalization. First one is FLC, Dushman. FLC is a Dushman, that is flowering locus C. It is a repressor that inhibit and suppress vernalization. VRN2 that downregulate vernalization. FT flowering locus T. It promote vernalization. It is suppressor. Flowering locus C. Suppress. Flowering locus T. Promote. Suppression of overexpression of constans 1 occur at shoot apical meristem. It promote vernalization. Vernalin 1 and vernalin 2 are activated when they are exposed to cold treatment. They are activated and give responses when they are exposed to cold treatment. These are the components: FLC, VRN2, FT, suppressor of overexpression of constans 1, VRN1 and VRN3. These are the various components of vernalization. Next, what will happen if FLC is present? If FLC is present, no flowering. If FLC is absent, flowering will occur. These are the basic details about vernalization. So we will see about various cases. What if a low temperature is present and what if low temperature is absent? If vernalization is induced, what are the key pathways involved? If vernalization occurs, now we will see what will happen. Vernalization will inactivate FLC, flowering locus C. Vernalization has VR N3 and VR N1. These are the key components. I said that these two components will be activated by vernalization. These two components will go and inhibit FLC. On inactivating FLC, they will go and activate FT, suppressor of constans 1, and FD. All these things will activate it, so they end up flowering, producing a flower. So FLC is Dushman. What will happen if there is no vernalization? Meaning no cold treatment. If there is no cold treatment, it will promote the expression of FLC, becomes active. FLC will become active. It will inhibit FT, FD, suppression of constans 1. So, no flowering. Here, VR N2 help in down regulation. These are the basic mechanism of vernalization in the absence of cold treatment and in the presence of cold treatment. How vernalization is switched off and switched on. These are the basic details. Now we will see VR N2 will inhibit VR N2 and VR N1 and VR N3. These two have opposing functions. VR N2 will downregulate vernalization. VR N1 and VR N3 will be activated on vernalization. This is very, very important. Flowering locus C and its characteristics, important previous year question. Suppressor of constants of overexpression, important. Actions of VRN1 and VRN3, important. The part that help in induction of flowering, important. The basic definition, cold treatment exposure of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This is important. Hope so. This video is very crisp and understandable and gives everything, all the details about vernalization, and hope everyone understood each and every point in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.